Well, it looks like somebody has some sense in this world. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Blind Press YouTube channel for Friday, April 11th. I hope you're having a good day and enjoying the sunshine and the slightly warmer temperatures that are going on outside. I am here to talk to you about a petition that I have discovered in my news feed to the British Columbia Supreme Court to order the University of British Columbia to stop doing land acknowledgements. So, this article here says a group of 4 UBC professors and 1 graduate student want the BC Supreme Court to order the university to stop Indigenous land acknowledgements. Many people find them uncontroversial. That's I don't believe that at all. I believe many people find them annoying and tiresome and cringy and yeah. So many people find them uncontroversial, but land acknowledgements make a claim about who is sovereign on a particular territory, whether or not Canada is legitimately sovereign, and whether the land is stolen land, said Josh DeHaas, a Calgary-based lawyer representing the petitioners. So that brings up an interesting point because it does call into question whether Canada is a sovereign country at all. And it's also very, like I keep saying, it's very like backhanded and out of both sides of the mouth. Like, hey, I'm sorry I stole your land, but I'm not giving it back. It's very much like that. And at some point in history, there have been people who have taken or conquered another people's land. So we should all be doing land acknowledgements, basically, for everything that's happened in history. Professors Andrew Irvine, Brad Epperly, Christopher Cam, and Michael Treschow are the petitioners in the case, along with former graduate student Nathan Cochran. So it says, across its campuses in Vancouver and the Okanagan, UBC employs more than 7,000 faculty members. The petition filed Monday in BC Supreme Court cites a section of BC's University Act which states a university must be non-sectarian and non-political in principle. Aha! That's a very good point. A university is a school. It is an institution of education. It is there to teach things, not to indoctrinate people. And a big problem with universities and colleges lately is that they indoctrinate their students. UBC's main campus is on the traditional territory of the Musqueam Nation, and its elected chief rejects the notion that land acknowledgements are political. How can they not be anything but political? I'm sorry, Mr. Chief, but they are inherently political. They call into question whose land it is. They call into question the sovereignty of the country. He says, quote, absolutely not. It's actually mind-boggling that we're still having these discussions in 2025. You know it's the truth, said Chief Wayne Sparrow. It's unceded territory. We don't have a treaty here in Musqueam. Sparrow went on to say land acknowledgements are part of the foundation of his nation's strong and growing relationship with UBC. How? How is going, this is our land now, sorry about taking it from you, ha ha ha, strengthening our relationships with anything? The petition also takes issue with some of the university's policies around diversity, like equity and inclusion. It seeks an order from prohibiting and restraining UBC from requiring expressions of agreement where fidelity to loyalty to diversity, equity, inclusion doctrines or any other political beliefs as a condition of fighting for UBC's faculty positions and or as a condition of appointment as UBC faculty. What kind of political bullshit are they doing to people who want to be faculty members? What kind of diversity, equity, inclusion nonsense is going on here? Taha said he feels, or his clients feel, like the school is silencing them. There's a chill on campus, and there's things they want to say or they want to study in some cases that they feel they can't under the current climate at UBC, he said. Oh, wow. Like, things, I wonder what things that want to be studied that can't be studied. That's interesting. Professor Tony Schmieder, the head of UBC's psychology department, disputes the assertion that DEI initiatives are political in nature. Quote, not only do I not think that principles that promote diversity, equity, and inclusion are political, but I really think they are best practices that are central to the core of our mission, Schmieder said. What is your mission? Your mission should be to educate students. That's it. Like, and you're professors, so you have a pretty wide berth in how you do that without indoctrinating your students. CTV News reached out to each of the petitioners requesting an interview or comment. Treshow, Epperly, and Irvine all declined, and Cameron Cochran did not respond. The university said it is reviewing the petition and will not comment further while the matter is before the court. So, all in all, I agree with the petition. I think it can set some precedent here. Because it's time to stop doing land acknowledgements. I think it's very much a both sides of the mouth thing, as I've said before. I think it's very cheeky. I think it's rude. I'll say it. I think it's rude. We acknowledge that we're on this land and this territory of these people. But it's our land now. Like, no, that's either give it back or stop with the acknowledgements. Those are the options before us, I believe. I'd like to know what you think in the comments down below. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.